What's up everyone, Alessandro is back with something special for you. Today we have Diamond X, a completely new NFT that is giving you some nice airdrops, guys. We're gonna have a look into that because this new Goose farm, this new game that is also available, or let's say we have here a TikTok login. That means that all the TikTokers out there currently are playing this game here, and of course right now they have a very big NFT sale going on, and I want to introduce you to that, guys, because I think that this is something that we should not ignore right now that the crypto market is again hot, and of course we are seeing a lot of new meme coins and crypto projects pushing like crazy to the upside. I just want to share with you guys this special opportunity here because we can invest into this NFT right now and not only get the NFT but also get a nice airdrop on that. And this is a unique project which is a builder among the crypto world for whole 3 years. So this is already a project that is running for a very long time. You can also see here different TikTok channels from this Goose farm here in Japan, in Portuguese, or also here in English with thousands of followers. And right now also on their X account it's listed that they are going to drop, or you can at least buy this NFT, and also you can get this airdrop of Goose coins and also cycle coins airdrops as well. You also have this 3x mining boost, government's rights, and also early access to new features as well. So this is a fully loaded big project and NFT that is launching right now, and I just want to show you how you can purchase that, guys. And if you're using the link in the video description and also my coupon code, you can get 5% discount on your purchase, basically, because they have a very interesting mechanism here how this is working. And important is that you can log in with your DeFi wallet, but also you can log in with your TikTok account, because there are also some TikTok challenges here as well, where people of course can also get benefits whenever you are tuning in with your TikTok account. And this is, in my opinion, something that could go completely viral here. We have here a pro mode and also a game mode as well. And we're gonna have a look now, of course, how you can invest into the NFT, how you can buy, and also what you have to look at. And of course, very important, guys, to have my coupon code activated or use the link in the video description, because then you get this 5% discount. And here we have over 17,000 paying users and an average of $200 per user within Goose Farm that is already ongoing. So it's not a project that will come out. This is already a game and a project that has already a use case. And right now they're launching their new NFT. And this is created by Cycle, secured by Cefu. And this is basically the first chain abstracted gamified DeFi. And here, of course, also you can earn exceptional hybrid yields as well. So the mechanism is great here. They have over 12 millions in TBL and over 81,000 followers on Twitter as well. So you can also follow their Twitter account, of course, and all their socials, links in the video description. And also all in all, over 100,000 subscribers on Discord, a lot of followers on TikTok and so on. And I think that this new NFT that they are launching is a no-brainer, in my opinion. Of course, nothing is always guaranteed, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to do financial advisements and things like that. I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing everything that I'm buying, what I'm seeing, what I'm trading here in the crypto space with you. And I think that this NFT is definitely something that you should give it a try, especially if you are here since the area of the NFTs. And if you are now using my link that you find in the video description, you're gonna end up here where you can purchase the NFT. And right now the current price is $360 per NFT, and it started at $350. And I think that investing, let's say, in a price range between $350 to $400 could be a good idea, and I'm gonna tell you why, guys, right now. Of course, no financial advice, just my own opinions, just my own TA and so on. And I think that here you're gonna have a lot of benefits, and that's why definitely give it a try, have a look at it, and use my link and my promo code if you want to invest in it, because you're gonna get this 5% at least off from the price, and like this profit even more. This one is running on the Binance, Arbitrum, and also Ethereum chain, and they started at $350, guys. That means that you're very early if you are buying those NFTs right now. And the benefit of owning those Diamond Egg NFTs is that you're gonna have this cycle airdrop. So at least 6,000 cycle airdrop expected per egg owned. So you can buy multiple of those NFTs and therefore of course get a bigger airdrop, or at least a bigger piece of this whole airdrop. But at least having one NFT is bringing you already or a nice cycle airdrop. Then also there will be a Goose airdrop as well, because all diamond egg holders will share 10% of the Goose initial market value with 100% unlock at Goose TGE. That means when the token is launching, and also 3x mining bonuses. That means stake diamond egg NFTs in the mining pool to enjoy a 3x mining coefficient as well. And this is very important then for the Goose game itself as well. And you have also, of course, governance, voting rights, and also priority access to new features as well. And from my observation, it will be easy to get like a 2 to 3x if you got a diamond egg at the price between $350 to $400. So in the early stage, before they're getting more and more sold. And that's why I think it is not a bad idea to get on board as soon as possible. You can see here the different NFT rights and also the sales rules here. You see here the price started at $350, the first 999 units, and then the next starting from 1,000 units. Then we're gonna have the $5 price increase with every 200 units sold. So this is how the price is increasing here with every time that units are getting sold. So if you want to be kind of the first ones, then of course you have to hurry up, because otherwise later on the price will be much higher. Then whitelist users can enjoy 5% discount. That's if you're using my coupon code or my link that you find in the video description. And NFTs will be minted on the BSC network as well. Minting takes some time, so please be patient. Yeah, that's of course normal that whenever you're buying and getting NFTs here on new projects or ongoing games, that it takes some time until it is coming out. So it is actually easy to get into those NFTs and get some, especially with this nice discount, and then of course take advantage of the big airdrop. You can also play the game. You can also getting started right now with this Goose farm. It is already very hyped. This is already an ongoing game, and there will be also this TikTok logging, so a direct TikTok logging that you can take advantage of. And I think that this opens up also the big gateway for a lot of people, and especially all the TikTokers out there to get access here basically in the crypto world, and also to buy NFTs, to trade new coins, get airdrops and so on. And I think this one could be a huge one that is upcoming. So if you want to get those diamond egg NFTs, link in the video description, guys. Here, first chain abstraction, AI powered yield, one-click TikTok login, play to earn. It all starts with the diamond egg. You just need this NFT and then you're ready to go. You're gonna enjoy a lot of benefits. And now I also gonna tell you a little bit more about this cycle network, because this is the top tier backing. YCI Labs, so Binance Labs, Manta, Vertex Ventures, and so on. We have tier 1 exchange listing coming up most likely Q3 of this year. We have a pre-valuation after fundraising of 100 million. So you're gonna get, thanks to this NFT, also those cycle network coins as well, thanks to this free airdrop if you're owning the NFT. And also for the golden Goose coins as well. We have here over 17,000 unique users. Average pay per user is between $200 to $300, and this is a 30-day retention rate of 83%. And you see that the game, the platform is already out, it is already working, and this makes, in my opinion, the coins, the airdrop, and also the NFT a no-brainer here to invest if you are anyway involved here in this Goose farm and in this game. And of course also if you're looking out for completely new DeFi, gaming, Fi, and so on, new platforms and coins that are upcoming. And this NFT, this diamond egg, is basically the gateway and the key to access to all of that. And something unique that this platform has is also that it attracts, of course, a lot of TikTok users as well. With over 120,000 followers on TikTok, this is of course attracting a lot of people. And as I told you guys, with those diamond X NFTs, holders are guaranteed for both airdrops. So if you're buying at least one of those NFTs, you are basically getting those cycle network coins and also Goose coins as well. 6,000 Cycle Network coins is the minimum per NFT owned. All hodlers will share also 10% of Goose initial market value, 100% unlock at TGE. So once this one is launching, then you're gonna have 3x Goose mining coefficient in the game when stake Diamond Egg NFT in the farming pool as well. And of course the right for voting and priority access to new features. If you're using also my link, you can of course also get this NFT with a 5% discount. So definitely give it a try, guys, and check it out. I am bullish for all those new projects and all those new airdrops and the launches, especially when they have to do with memes, with AI, with TikTok and so on, because we are entering right now in the most exciting time of this crypto bull run. And that's why I think that such projects like this one over here, not only the NFT but also the airdrop that you're gonna get, has of course huge upside potential, and it's good to be involved in it. And I think that $350 is of course a great investment right now to get an NFT and also some airdrops in form of those coins, and then we're gonna see what happens. I keep you updated here on Goose Farm as well, guys, so stay tuned, be subscribed here, and as I told you, if you're using my link, at least you get this 5% discount code for the first NFT that you're getting. Of course, if you're buying more, you can always use my link and get always this 5% discount, but right now it's basically the best opportunity to get in before the price is increasing. Of course, guys, no financial advice. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying, that I'm selling, that I'm trading here in the crypto space with you, and you all know how it is with those meme coins and those games. Sometimes they're hyped, sometimes not, so expect also big volatile moves with the airdrops that you're gonna get, with the NFT value and so on. But if you want to get on board into something since the beginning, then this one here, the Goose Diamond Egg, is the one to get right now. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed here, follow up my channel. All social media links are in the video description, and of course all links to those Diamond Eggs, NFTs, Goose, Cycle Network and so on, you're gonna find here also linked in the video description. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.